Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Trends Today, your go-to destination for all things automotive. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a future car buyer, or just someone who loves staying updated on the latest in the auto world, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Today, we're diving into the world of Peugeot, a brand that's been making waves in the automotive industry for over a century. Let's get started. Peugeot, a French automotive giant, has been crafting vehicles since 1810, starting as a coffee mill and bicycle manufacturer before transitioning to cars in 1889. Known for its innovative designs, cutting-edge technology, and commitment to sustainability, Peugeot has become a household name across the globe. The brand is part of Stellantis, one of the world's leading automotive groups, which gives it access to incredible resources and technology. One of the standout features of Peugeot is its iconic design language. The brand's vehicles are instantly recognizable, thanks to their sleek lines, bold grilles, and the signature A-claw LED lighting. Models like the Peugeot 208, 308, and 3008 have won numerous awards for their stunning aesthetics and practicality. The Peugeot 208, for example, was crowned the European Car of the Year in 2020, showcasing the brand's ability to blend style with substance. But Peugeot isn't just about looks, it's also a leader in innovation. The brand has been at the forefront of electrification, with a growing lineup of electric and hybrid vehicles. The E208 and E2008 are perfect examples of Peugeot's commitment to a greener future, offering impressive range, performance, and cutting-edge tech. The recently unveiled E3008 is another game-changer, featuring Peugeot's next-gen electric platform and a futuristic interior with a massive panoramic display. Speaking of interiors, Peugeot is known for its AI cockpit design, which includes a compact steering wheel, a high-mounted digital instrument cluster, and intuitive controls. This setup not only looks futuristic but also enhances the driving experience by putting everything within easy reach. It's a perfect blend of form and function. Safety and technology are also top priorities for Peugeot. Their vehicles come equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. The brand's infotainment systems are user-friendly and packed with features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and connected services. Looking ahead, Peugeot is set to continue its electrification journey with the E-Line project, aiming to offer a fully electric version of every model by 2025. The brand is also exploring new markets and expanding its global presence, ensuring that more drivers can experience the joy of driving a Peugeot. So, whether you're considering a compact hatchback like the 208, a versatile SUV like the 3008, or an all-electric model like the E2008, Peugeot has something for everyone. It's a brand that combines heritage, innovation, and style in a way that few others can. That's it for today's video. What do you think about Peugeot's lineup? Are you excited about their electric future? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe.